So let's just see how we can create module in Node.js. So currently we have only one file, and that console logs demo on the console. Like if we run node demo, so we have this console log as demo. Now suppose we have another function which adds two numbers, so it console logs, and then we can just call the function, and now if we run this, so you can see we have this output. Now instead of putting everything in one single file, we can create one separate module of this add function, so that this function can be used across our application in different files. So we're gonna create another file called add.js, and inside that add.js we're gonna put this add function. So we have created another module add.js, which is basically adds two numbers. Now because we have a separate module of this add function, so we can use that in other files. For this we have to use the require function, so we can use require, and inside the require we have to pass the URL of the module we wanted to use. The add function is located in the current directory, so we're gonna write /add.js, and now if we run this node demo, so you can see we have this output. So first of all, because of this require function, we are basically calling this add module, and after that we have this demo logged onto the console. So in Node.js, instead of writing all the code in a single file, we can create separate module, and this way we can structure and organize our code so that it can be manageable when our application grows in size. And also if we are just requiring one JS file, we can just remove that .js and our code will still work fine. So we have the same output. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.